Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the trading week is coming to an end for the traditional markets of course, but for Bitcoin we do have some very important things that we need to cover. Starting off on the daily time frame, you can see Bitcoin has broken through some very key levels. The value area high got absolutely broken through very fast. After bouncing from the monthly pivot and the monthly open, Bitcoin is right now up more than 20%. And we are watching some key levels right here from back in December 2025. This key order block that got front run last time, as you can see it clearly right here, last time it got front run. We could hit it this time and this is where Bitcoin could actually start reversing. But we're also gonna talk about this 57.8k level being the potential bottom for the bear market. Yes, it could be. If we go down to my other chart right here, you can see I have a VWAP level pulled through right here, and we are looking very closely at this level. It could very well be the bear market bottom, but we have not seen a bullish August close in the past 4 years. You can see right here, August 2025, red. If we go back August 2024, red. If we go back August 2023, in the red. If we go back even further below August 2022, in the red. Only when we go back to August of 2021, we have a green August. And you can see during this move, it was 35%. And 4 years later, guys, even actually 5 years later, because this was in 2021, 5 years later, we are finally seeing a bullish August month. So this is potentially completely normal. Bitcoin has had, we don't have enough data right here on this chart. You can see back in 2020, we've actually also had a bullish August. But anyways, if this month closes bullish, which I do believe it will, since we do have only about 10 days left, I believe Bitcoin is going to be seeing the next move down coming into September or basically October, since historically, as you can see, we topped out on October and we are expected to bottom out in October 2026, a year later, following basically the normal cycles. Last time we've topped out on November in 2021 and we bottomed out in November in 2022, so a year later. If we look at the total market cap right now, I am expecting the total market cap, this is the complete total market cap, not the total 2 or total 3, or total 3 excluding Bitcoin, ETH and stablecoins. We're going to talk about this in a bit, but I do expect for this total market cap to actually sweep this level right here at around 2.7 trillion. So we are looking for a move up to this level, and if this level gets actually flipped and into support, this is when you are going to expect for this level right here to be the actual bottom of the bear market. But I do expect once we get there, if we get there, we could basically reverse after front running this level, but I do expect us to get there and to price to start basically consolidating, showing some weakness, and then going down for this key level to actually sweep the low from back in August 2024, which is sitting at 1.71 trillion. So this is my outlook for Bitcoin. If we look at some of the altcoins right now, ETH trading at around 2,400, coming into this very key weekly EMAs cluster right here. Solana trading at 91, finally breaking throughout this value area high. We could continue higher to potentially the value area low of this previous bigger range, which is going to be at around $122. Hype also trading near all-time highs. Sui also trying to break out right here from the bottom. Right now it is up around 21%, and if we target the daily 200 EMA, we're going to be seeing a 54% of a move for Sui. Stock markets right now, they have slowed down. Basically, I do believe that this is a rotation happening from the stock market money into Bitcoin. They are flowing into the crypto market right now, since you can see things have cooled off quite a bit right here. If you look at the dollar keeps dropping. I do believe that once the dollar comes around this order block right here, this is when I believe Bitcoin, and if it reverses right here, I believe Bitcoin will slow down a bit with this major rally that we're seeing right now. Gold is also breaking out, potentially flipping that bearish structure that we've had since this blow off top back in January 2026. And I believe gold will continue pushing higher throughout the next year. On the short term, you can see for Bitcoin right now, we are pushing higher, open interest going down, CVD going up. So this means shorts are opening throughout this move. But as you can see, they are completely getting squeezed and Bitcoin is pushing higher and higher. On the liquidation heat map, you can see I have put up right here the 6 month, basically the biggest liquidation heat map chart that we have available. We have swept this whole liquidity. You can see here we had no liquidity zone, basically this fair value gap right here. And once price got there, you can see it straight up, shoot up, since we don't have anything, any resistance basically right here, and price slices through this level like butter basically. Fear and greed index is sitting at 73 right now. Sentiment shifted in a single day, you can say, went from fear at around 36 all the way up to the greed zone. In the high end of the greed zone, basically around 73. If we go to 80, that's going to be the extreme greed zone, which is going to be very, very insane. We have not seen throughout the last moves up for Bitcoin, basically. During this move right here, sentiment did not shift that quickly, and during this move right here, sentiment did not shift, but during this parabolic move to the upside, Bitcoin is shifting that sentiment very, very quickly. And on the spot ETFs, something very, very important, we have over 1.1 billion just for the past 2 days on 19th and 20th of August. We have BlackRock, Fidelity and all the other big institutions buying Bitcoin worth over 1.1 billion. So over 600 million for just yesterday, and the other day over 500 million, basically $500 million of spot ETFs have been bought up. Long versus shorts ratio, we do have more longs, even though people are shorting this move. We still got lots and lots of long positions opening up as well. So things are moving pretty quickly. We don't have that much news coming out for today. We only do have PMI data coming out after the New York Open. So this is also very important to look at, but I don't believe with how things are going right now that the news are going to affect price action very much. We are in a explosive move to the upside, and I do believe we're going to be continue doing so until people stop shorting this move, or until we do have lots of long strapped in basically at the top. But on Saturday you can see we also do have terms peaking, so we could continue this move up throughout the weekend, get even more explosive move to around 84, wrecked all the shorts that have been opened up right here, and then we actually start reversing towards the downside. So yes guys, I do believe that this would cover it for today. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.